Forex trading is a scam. In this video, I'm going to tell you why. Welcome everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you why you may never make money in Forex and why I think it's a scam. So we all know Forex as this industry where people make millions, hundreds and thousands of dollars, buy flashy cars, buy expensive houses, expensive things, and then flaunt it on the internet. Well, research has shown that only 1 to 20% of traders actually make it in the Forex market. This means that from 80 to 99% of traders actually fail in the Forex market. And then why is nobody talking about this? Also, the Forex market is a very high risk business environment. It involves a lot of money, it requires a lot of time, it requires a lot of investment, and then also it requires a lot of market research and then data analysis. Moreover, in this market, nobody can be right. In fact, you can never guarantee if somebody is being truthful or the person is lying to you. So that leaves Forex traders vulnerable, and then Forex traders have to rely on their own skills to trade this market. Thirdly, the market is full of risks and speculations. There are no transparency. Like I said earlier, you can never know who is telling you the truth or who is lying. There are no verified portfolio managers. There are no regulatory or even very little regulatory bodies to regulate the activities in the Forex market. So that means that if you want to work with somebody or whatever industry you decide to pursue a career in this Forex industry, you are alone. You are left with your own decisions to make, and you are left with your own fate. Whether it works out for you or not, that's up to you. But the statistics show that only 1 to 20% actually make it. So the 80 to 99% are going to fail. And then that's the sad reality of the market. But all hope is not lost. Here are 4 tips that you can use to succeed in the Forex market. 1. Do not be consumed by the Forex lifestyle. Do not be consumed by all this flashy lifestyle that you see on the internet with the cars, the houses, the watches, the chains, and what have you. All you have to do is focus and know that this industry is an industry that requires time. This industry takes time for you to become perfect. You need to give yourself at least 3 to 5 years of constant practice and executions, okay? Not only do you have to learn what it is about and just have it in theory, but then you also have to practice as you learn so that you can develop the skill set and then the right mindset for you to trade. Also, one important thing is you can find yourself a mentor. A mentor is going to help you to shortcut your way, at least. Maybe shortcut might not be the word, but a mentor is obviously going to help you to learn, to help your learning curve move a little faster than you learning it on your own. That's just a little suggestion for me to you. Secondly, you have to be disciplined. Being disciplined means that setting your own rules, because this market is so decentralized. There are no rules or whatsoever. The only rules are the markets are closed on weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday. But from Monday to Friday, 2-4-7, the markets are open. So in a market where there are little to no rules, you have to set your own rules and make sure that you are following them step by step. So you show up on time, you be disciplined, you do what your rules say, and then once you are done trading, get off the chart because you don't want to be over trading. That is a very bad thing for you to do. Thirdly, you have to keep a trading journal. So a trading journal is a manual log of your own thoughts and executions. Okay, so by keeping that manual, it's a fast way for you to correct your mistakes, learn from them, and then also develop and then refine your strategy over time. Like I said, as you are keeping your journal and then as you keep learning from 3 to 5 years and you keep a journal, your journal might be the most precious thing that you can ever create by yourself in this industry, and it's going to help you a lot. So keeping a journal is a must do. And then last but not the least, you need capital. Now, we live in an age where access to capital has become a little bit common, yet a little bit dicey. However, you can get funding from these prop firms that are coming up Now there are so many of them in the market, but however, you need to do your own research to in order for you to be able to determine whether the prop firm that you are going to get funded from is a legitimate prop firm, and then they are actually going to pay you. But then nevertheless, if you get a good paying prop firm, you can leverage your skills to gather some amount of money so that you can invest in your own trading account and then make your own money and then trade by your own rules. So this is the little that I have for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, can you leave a like, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to leave a comment as to what other videos you would like to be seeing from me. And then also, if there are any questions you want to ask, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to assist you. I'll see you guys later. Until then, peace out.